Here's the thing most restaurant owners get wrong. You don't have an ordering problem, you have a margin problem and a customer ownership problem. Every order that comes through a marketplace costs you 25 to 35% in commission. And worse, that customer is not yours. The marketplace owns them and rents them back to you on every single order. Marketplaces have their place. They're great for getting discovered. But if every order you take runs through someone else's app, you are building their business, not yours. So in this video, I'm going to do something useful. I compared 10 online ordering systems for UK and Ireland restaurants. I'm going to tell you who each one is best for, what to watch out for with each one, and which one I would actually choose depending on the type of place you run. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to start. Let's get into it. First, quickly, here is how I judge these, because not every system is trying to do the same job. I looked at direct ordering. Can customers order from your own site and app, not just a marketplace? Customer ownership. Do you keep the data, or does someone else? POS connection. Does ordering talk to your till, payments, delivery support, loyalty and marketing, marketplace aggregation? Can it pull your Just Eat, Deliveroo and Uber Eats orders onto one screen? Then the practical stuff. How easy it is to set up, whether the pricing is honest, and whether it actually suits UK and Ireland restaurants, not just the US. That is the lens. Now the ranking. Here's the top 10. Fast, then I will break each one down. Number 1, Flipdish, the best all-in-one. Number 2, GloriaFood, the best free starter. Number 3, Toast, best if you already run Toast. Number 4, Square, best simple option for cafés. Number 5, Slurp, best branded ordering specialist. Number 6, Storekit, best for QR and order and pay. Number 7, OrderYoyo, best done for you takeaway package. Number 8, Hungrrr, best low-cost branded app. Number 9, Shopify, best for food brands that sell like a shop. And number 10, WooCommerce, best if you live on WordPress and like control. Right? Let's start at the top. Number 1 is Flipdish, and it wins for a specific reason. Most systems treat online ordering as a feature, a button bolted onto a website, or a sidecar to a till. Flipdish builds the whole operation around direct ordering and runs it from one place. So you take orders through your own branded website, your own branded app, your Google profile so people order straight from search, kiosks in store, QR codes on the table, and every one of those is a direct order. You keep the customer, the data, and the margin. Here is the part that actually matters though. It's all connected. The order hits the same system that runs your menus, your payments, your kitchen display, your inventory, your staff rotas, and your reporting. No double entry, no 5 tools held together with tape. And if you do sell on Just Eat, Deliveroo and Uber Eats, Flipdish keeps your menus in sync across all of them and pulls those orders onto one dashboard and one kitchen screen. That ends the tablet farm. On top of that, you get loyalty vouchers and customer marketing to bring people back. Delivery through partners like Uber Direct and Stuart under your brand. And some genuinely useful AI, like a phone agent that answers when you are slammed. Now the honest drawbacks. There is no free tier. Plans start around €69 a month per site, billed annually. Transaction and hardware pricing is quote based, not a public rate card, and it gives you the most value when you use the whole stack. If you just want a free order button on a one-site takeaway, this is more than you need. Who should choose it? Anyone serious about growing direct orders and running the whole operation from one platform, especially groups and growing brands. Who should avoid it? A tiny spot that only wants a basic free widget. Keep watching. Number 2, GloriaFood. This is the best way to start taking direct orders for nothing. The core is free, forever. Unlimited orders, no commission. Live on your website or Facebook page in minutes. It covers delivery, takeaway, dine-in, table reservations, pre-orders, promotions, and a QR ordering widget. For a small independent that just wants to test direct ordering without signing anything, this is the lowest risk way in. It is also owned by Oracle now, so it ties into Oracle Symphony if you want a till later. The catch is depth. This is an ordering widget, not an operating platform. You cannot upsell at checkout. Stock control is thin. The order flow is basically accept or decline. And the things you will eventually want, like card payments, a branded app and proper marketing, sit behind paid add-ons, so the real cost creeps up once you grow past the free basics. Who should choose it? Small cafes and takeaways starting out, who want orders coming in this week. Who should avoid it? Anyone who knows they will need loyalty, deeper marketing, in-store payments or multi-site control. You will outgrow it. Number 3, Toast. Simple rule here. Toast is brilliant if Toast is already your till. It is built for hospitality and used by well over 100,000 locations. The online ordering flows straight into Toast POS, so digital orders, in-house orders, and the kitchen all live in one place with nothing in the middle. You get direct website ordering, mobile order and pay, a multi-location picker so people find their nearest branch, and built-in loyalty. The reporting is strong too, with proper cost and profit tracking. The trade-offs. It is more system than a small simple takeaway needs. Monthly costs sit at the higher end if you are a single site just wanting the basics, starting around £80 plus VAT a month. It's Android based, so it will not suit you if you are committed to iPads, and it is POS first by design. If your till lives somewhere else, Toast online ordering on its own is far less compelling. Who should choose it? Busy places mixing dine-in and takeaway that want Toast as the core system. Who should avoid it? Anyone not planning to run Toast as their main till. Number 4, Square. This is the easy, affordable one for cafes and small spots. Its whole strength is that it is simple. Loads of operators already use Square for payments, so adding online ordering feels like a natural next step, not a project. You get a tidy ordering page, click and collect, QR ordering and payments built in. It runs on iOS, so it suits anyone who already owns iPads. You can start completely free and move up to the restaurant's plan when you need more. Where it runs out of road is depth. Square does not track ingredient level stock, so tight inventory control is harder than on Flipdish or Toast, and it lacks the deeper loyalty, dispatch and marketing tools that delivery heavy takeaways and multi-site groups need. It is very good at simple. It is not built to be a serious direct ordering growth engine. Who should choose it? Cafes, bakeries and casual spots that want clean, cheap ordering with clear pricing. Who should avoid it? Delivery-led takeaways and groups with bigger plans. Number 5, Slurp. If brand and polish matter to you, pay attention. Slurp is a UK-focused platform built for premium independents, bakeries, cafes and QSR brands. It is one of the strongest pure direct ordering specialists out there. The pitch is simple. Stop paying commission, pay one monthly fee, and keep full control of the customer. You get a branded web experience and a fully white label app with push notifications, Apple Pay and Google Pay. It handles click and collect, catering, pre-orders and direct delivery through couriers like Uber, Stuart and Addison Lee. And you get the customer data with CRM and loyalty built in. They claim direct ordering through Slurp converts far better than the marketplace average and drives higher spend, which fits what you would expect from a clean branded experience. The honest limit is scope. Slurp is laser focused on branded direct ordering and delivery. It is excellent at that, but it is not a full POS and operations platform. If you also want in-store payments, a till and deep inventory in the same system, you will be comparing it against more complete platforms or stitching tools together. And pricing is quote based, so you need a demo to get your number. Who should choose it? Premium brands that care about a polished, high converting branded ordering experience. Who should avoid it? Anyone who wants ordering, POS and full operations in one box. Now the quicker 5. Number 6, Storekit. This is the one for QR ordering and order and pay. Customers scan a code, the menu opens in their browser, no app to download, and they order and pay right there. Great for pubs, bars and casual dining, where you want to cut queues and lift spend at the table. It also covers takeaway and pay at table, with a free pay as you go tier and thousands of integrations. The limit. It is focused on ordering and order and pay, not a full operating system. Reporting is lighter and some integrations can be fiddly. Big complex operations may want a more robust till underneath. Number 7, OrderYoyo. This is a done-for-you branded website and app aimed squarely at local takeaways, with a strong UK and Ireland focus and marketing support included. But be careful here. The pricing is commissioned on your weekly revenue, which means you keep paying a percentage on customers who are already yours. Reviews are mixed, the rates are hard to pin down without a sales call, and there is an easily forgotten annual Apple developer cost for the app. Good if you want it all done for you, and you are fine with commission. Just compare the all-in cost against flat fee options. Number 8, Hungrrr. The low-cost branded app and website with zero commission. You pay a fixed low monthly fee for your own branded site and iOS and Android app, and they take no cut no matter your takings. So the only per order cost is standard card processing. You get click and collect, delivery, table and QR ordering, loyalty and push notifications, with no long contract. The downside is that you cannot fully customize the ordering pages, and some features are paid extras, so the real monthly cost depends on what you switch on. Number 9, Shopify. This one is not really for restaurants. It is for food brands that sell like a shop. Meal prep companies, bakeries shipping nationwide, packaged food subscriptions. For that, it is hard to beat. The storefront, checkout and app ecosystem are best in class for e-commerce. But for live service, delivery zones, collection slots and kitchen workflows, you will be bolting on apps and paying for them. For a busy takeaway doing live service, a purpose-built platform is simpler and cheaper. And number 10, WooCommerce. This is for the WordPress crowd who want total control. It is the open source plugin for WordPress, and with the right food ordering add-ons, it can run restaurant ordering exactly how you want it. The catch is that free is misleading. You'll pay for hosting, security, premium plugins, payment fees and developer time when something breaks. It is the most flexible option here and the least turnkey. Only go here if you have WordPress skills or a developer on hand. So what would I actually choose? Best overall Flipdish. If you're serious about going direct to artists and owning everything from one place, that is the pick. But here's the real point. The question is not just whether a platform can take an order. Anything on this list can take an order. The real question is whether it helps you own the customer, take your margin and bring people back. That's what actually grows a restaurant. If you want the full written comparison with pricing, pros, cons and scores for all 10, the complete guide is on restauranttech.co.uk, link in the description. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe, it genuinely helps. And drop a comment telling me which system you are using right now and whether you would switch. Cheers, and I will see you in the next one.